Hey YouTube, this is EverythingEpan here, and today I'm going to be doing a video tutorial on how to install Windows XP Professional in Virtualbox. This is a updated tutorial from one of my first Virtualbox tutorials that I've ever done, which was the XP Professional video, which I mistakenly said my old channel in that video. So I got the intro right this time. So this is just going to be the updated tutorial for this year, since I have not done that tutorial for 2 years, and some people may want an update to this tutorial, so I'm going to just do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. So we're going to go ahead and head into Virtualbox here, and once Virtualbox pops up here, we want to go ahead and create a new machine in the top left here, and we're going to just call this Windows XP Professional. Leave it on 32-bit and click next, and then just leave it on 192 megabytes of memory. Click next. You can create a virtual hard drive. Next, and then click create. And then you want to go to settings, go to storage, go to the empty disk, and then click choose. And then we're going to go to find our XP Professional ISO, which will be supplied with a link in the description. Go ahead and click OK, and go ahead and click start. XP is usually a really simple one to do, and you know, you probably still could follow my 2015 video. I'm pretty sure it was uploaded on New Year's Day, I think, of that year, or sometime in January of 2015. So it's over 2 years old, so I figured I'd do an updated video on how to install XP Professional, just because that video was quite long and this one will be shorter. So we're on the hard drives here, and of course we only have our 10 gigabyte hard drive, so click enter to do that one, and then go ahead and format with the NTFS file system quick. Click enter, and it's going to format the drive here, and then it's going to do a disk check, and then after that it's going to copy the files over. Of course, this will not take long whatsoever. And then after this process, we will be able to we'll restart, and then we will be able to go into the GUI part of this installation. So as you can see, this is going through very, very quickly. As you can see, we are at 75% and going on already. Now I do have a older PC here in here now to do possibly a actual install video for like when the older OSs. So if you guys want to see those, please comment down below if you want to see those. So now it's going to restart, and it's going to say, of course, press any key. Do not do that, or you will go in a constant loop. Here you come up with the Windows XP boot screen, and I will make sure to supply the ISO without the password from the link in the description. I'm going to have to change my 2015 video as well to that ISO, even though I will put an annotation or some sort of link on there to check out this tutorial. So now it's going to go through installing devices here first, of course, in the GUI part of the interface. Now it says setup's going to complete in 37 minutes. Of course, that is not true because of the new hardware and everything. So once it goes through this part, we should get to about 33 minutes where it will pop up with our first screen here. So hopefully that will be the case. So this should pop up any second. I would hate to, I don't want to pause this just in case it comes up right after I pause it, but we'll see here. So it's a little over halfway through in installing devices, and here we should eventually hopefully get our screen screen. And there it is. So it's the name and organization screen. So just go ahead and type in any name you desire. Doesn't really matter what you do. Go ahead and click next, and then type in your computer name. Doesn't really matter either. Click next, and then type in your day, time zone, and then click next. Now it's going to install the network, and then go through the copying files and everything. I don't know if there'll be a screen that pops up here, but sometimes during the network spot there is a screen that pops up, but of course there is not. So it's going to go through the process of copying files and everything. So just let this process go through. It should take no longer than 5 minutes, and I'll be right back with you guys once it restarts. So here we are restarting now. It has finished through the first part of the setup here, and of course do not boot to the CD, otherwise you will keep going in a constant loop. So actually you could probably take it out right now. Just go and remove that, and it's going to improve the screen resolution by clicking OK, and if you see this, click OK. So it should make it just a little bit bigger, probably the 800 by 600 resolution. And here we are coming up with the Windows XP sound part of this. You'll hear there's going to be some music. Actually, I'm wrong. I have my sound disabled on my Bandicam, so of course you will not be able to hear this, but there will be the Windows XP music, of course. You'll hear it during the setup unless the audio drivers aren't working for some reason. But now I want to go ahead and click Next. Then you can click either one of these options and click Next. And now it's going to check for an internet connection. And then do yes, this computer will connect through a local area network or home network. Click Next. Do no, not at this time for the registration. Click Next. And then you can type in any user you would like here. Just type in my channel name, EverythingEpan. Click Next. And you are finished. It says thank you and congratulations. So click Finish. And right now it should be playing the logon sound. I don't know if you could have heard that from my headphones into the microphone, but it just played the logon sound, and now you have successfully installed Windows XP Professional. So there you go, guys. That was my updated tutorial for 2017. I did not do one last year, and it's been a little over 2 years since I've done an XP video or XP Professional video. So I figured I'd do an updated tutorial just in case. So, and hopefully this one was a little bit more clear for you guys. If you think I'm going a little bit too fast, I would suggest to go back to my 2015 video, just in case, because I'm pretty sure I went a lot slower than I did in this video. So, hope this helped you guys. So leave a like on the video if you guys enjoyed. Comment your ideas for future tutorials down below. And don't forget to subscribe. And make sure to go to my Q&A and ask me some questions. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.